Students, today we will continue with our GK portions. So once again we are just going through chapter 23. I think it is covered in the last video. So once again we will start with chapter 23, body count 2. The presence of fine hair and sticky liquid substance called mucus in the nose helps to trap and remove any dirt and germs from the air which we breathe in. What is the answer? It is mucus, M-U-S-C-U-S. Then second one, fresh air is led into the windpipe through the nose and from there it goes to the lungs. Okay, answer is lungs. Third one, oxygen helps to burn food in the body to give us energy to perform work. Your nose also influences your voice because when your nose is clogged, the sound of your voice changes. Odors are detected by two smell areas at the top of your nose called the eustachian tube. Dogs and wild animals can hear much softer and fainter sounds than humans because their sense of hearing is more acute. Blood is carried to different parts of the body by blood vessels. There are about 320 pairs of skeletal muscles in our body. A nerve impulse, answer is a nerve impulse is the way nerve cells, neurons communicate with each other. The brain plays an important part in hearing. Rest of things you can read. The three small bones in the middle ear are the hammer, the anvil and the stirrup. Olfactory epithelium runs to the back of the nose and helps to keep proper pressure within the middle ear. Once again I will repeat the word olfactory epithelium. Olfactory epithelium. Now we are going to see some of the heart issues, heart diseases which normal we face. The heart is the dash station of the circulatory system, pumping station, because from the heart it pumps blood to the body. Second one, heart is about as large as a closed fist. Okay, class is as large as a closed fist. One complete heartbeat, contraction and relaxation of the heart is called cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle. The wall called the dash divides the heart into the left and the right half. That is septum. The contraction and dilation of the cardiac chambers are called dash respectively. Systole and diastole. Then sixth one, diseases of the heart and the blood vessels are called cardiovascular diseases. Cardio means heart, vascular means vessels. Cardiovascular diseases. When you sleep, your heart beats dash since your muscles need less oxygen, slower. Heartbeat slower. The blood takes in oxygen, sending dash back into the lungs to be breathed out. What it is? Carbon dioxide. A blocking of the flow of blood by the blood clot in the artery supplying blood to the heart is called coronary thrombosis. The average weight of a heart is about 340 grams in men and dash in grams in women. 250 to 350 grams average weight of heart. Okay, our heart has two upper spaces called auricles that send blood around the body and two lower spaces called ventricles that pump blood into the lungs. You have to read all these small informations also. Then health woes. Our body may be affected by various types of diseases. What parts of organs are the following diseases associated with? Jaundice. Jaundice is associated with liver. Okay, jaundice is affected with liver. The next one is pneumonia. Pneumonia is affected with lungs. Then typhoid. Typhoid is with chest and bowels. Then diabetes. Diabetes is pancreas. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is bones. Arthritis, sixth one. Arthritis, joints of the body. Then leukemia, white blood cells. Next one, pyorrhea. Pyorrhea, which one? Eighth one, that is gums. Cataract. Cataract, ninth one, lens of the eye. Pleurisy. Pleurisy, chest and lungs. Meningitis, brain and spinal cord. Epilepsy, nervous system. Eczema. Eczema is with skin. Goiter, very common. Goiter, 14th one, thyroid gland. AIDS, 15th one, AIDS, immune system. Okay, immune system. Now about literary world, about literature. Some of the books and their authors, some information related to the literature field is given there. Literature is what it is. Literature is the art of composition in prose or verse. That is, writing stories or poems is known as literature. Who is the author of the book Around the World in 80 Days? Name is Jules Verne. Jules Verne. Who wrote The Tale of Two Cities? Charles Dickens. Which US writer wrote the short story Rip Van Winkle? Washington Irving. Washington Irving. Who is the writer of The White Tiger that won the Man Booker Prize? Man Booker Prize, that is Aravind Adiga. Aravind Adiga. Which award is known as the Alternative Nobel Prize? Alternative to the Nobel Prize, that is Right Livelihood Award. Right Livelihood Award. Who is the Bangladeshi author of the best-selling book Lajja? It is Taslima Nasreen. It is Taslima Nasreen. Who is the author of A Passage to England? Nirad Chowdhury. Nirad Chowdhury. In which Indian city the office of the Sahitya Academy is situated? That is New Delhi. In which language did Mahadevi Varma write her book Vama? That is in Hindi. Then who is the writer of Half a Life? V.S. Naipaul. V.S. Naipaul. The rest of things also you can read what is given in the information. So this is about for today. I have created only a short video for you because almost we are going to complete the half yearly portions. Okay, so please write answers on your book and learn well. Thank you.